Okay, let's give you guys some practice. So using these properties here, evaluate this. Evaluate this. So suppose this here is true, and suppose this here is true. Suppose this here is true. Use these three here to evaluate this. Okay, so press pause and have a go. Okay, so to do this here, whenever you have a sum of two functions, you can break them up. So it's really you using this property here. It's really you using this property here. Whenever you have a sum of two functions here, you can just work out the integral of one function and then plus the integral of the other function. So here it's you really using this function here. So hang on. So in order to evaluate this, you can break this up into one part. You can break this up into the other part. So that then becomes this. Okay, so this is still from minus 2 to 2, still minus 2 to 2, still minus 2 to 2. But the thing is, you break this part into one part, this here into another part. Okay, and then we can then use well, this here is a constant, so you can actually take the constant out, and this here is a constant, so you can actually take the constant out. That's really you using this property here. Hang on, that's really you using this property here. Okay, so whenever you have a constant here, you can take it out, and so on. So hang on. So back to this. So because this is a constant, take it out. This here is a constant, take it out, and then that will then take you to here. And then this block here is something that we know. We were given this, and this is also something that we know. We were given this. So so hang on. So this block here, two times this block here. Well, this block here is this one here. Okay, minus 2f minus 2 to 2 of f of x. Yeah, so hang on. So this block here is this block here. Okay, and then h of x from minus 2 to 2 is this block here. H of x from minus 2 to 2 is this block here. So now, so we were given this, we were given this block, and we were given this block here. So then now just put it into here, and then work it out. It equals 37. Okay. Next one here. So the same three here. Suppose this here is true, this is true, and this is true. So these three are the same as above. Well, use these three to evaluate this. Okay. So press pause and have a go. Okay, so notice that this here is really from if you look at this, f of x, and f of x here, they're all the same, but then is from minus 2 to 5. So if you look at this here, if you look at the x-axis here, this is from minus 2 to positive 2, and then if you look up here, it's from 2 to positive 5. So 5 here. So if you want the integral of the whole thing here, then you simply have to get this, add it to this. Okay. So to evaluate this here, do this. Break well, from minus 2 to 2, and then from 2 to 5, and then this block here we do know. This block here we do know from above. So so that equals this, equals 11. Okay, and last one here. So again, same three. So suppose this is true, suppose this is true, suppose this is true. Use these three to evaluate this. So press pause and have a go. Okay, so to do this here, f of x, if you look up here, it's really you needing this bit here. But the thing is, these two have been switched around. So to evaluate this here, if you switch these two around, Well, this is what we don't know. But the thing is, if you switch these two around, then it's something that we do know. But then whenever you switch these two around, it becomes a negative version. So this thing here is equal to this thing here. Notice that we switched the 5 and the 2 around, but whenever you switch these two around, you need to stick a negative in there. So this thing here is exactly the same as this thing here. But the good thing is that we now know this block here. This block here was given to us as 3. Okay, so this block here. So we were given this here. We don't know this. So switch these two around. But when you switch these two around, it becomes a negative. And then now this is good because we do know this bit here, this block here. Well, that block there is 3. But then don't forget this minus is, well, overall the area would be -3. Okay.